Okay, so this topic, finding the measures of an interior angle, stop, and exterior angle. So there's two parts. This part we've already done. That was the equation n minus 2 equals 180, or times 180, not equals 180. Let me erase that. Times 180 equals the sum. So we would plug in our number of sides. It's a 10-sided, so 10 minus 2 times 180, and that is going to be 8 times 180. So 1,440, 1440 here. Then we want to divide that 1440 by how many sides there are, again using that 10. Then we would figure out how much each of those 10 angles is worth. So I'm going to divide that number here by 10. And so each of this decagon, each angle in this decagon are 144 degrees. So if we were to draw that out, and that's not going to be a decagon, but if it was, each of those angles in there would be 144 degrees. Now, an exterior angle is a linear pair to an interior angle. So we know that both of these angles, this 144 plus the x for the interior angle, have to equal 180. 144 plus x have to equal 180. That's the definition of a linear pair. So then, so this is our first answer. Now we use that first answer to find our second answer. So we're going to take 180 minus 144. And that gives us 36 for that exterior angle. The interior and the exterior have to add to equal 180. Okay, so another problem down here to practice that. 5-sided polygon. So again, to find the interior angle, we're going to use that sum equation. N minus 2 times 180. So 5 minus 2 times 180 would be 3 times 180. And that's going to be 540. So that's all 5 angles added up, is that sum of 540. So now we want to know, well, what would just one of those angles be? We're going to divide it by the number of sides. So divide by 5 here, that gives me 108. And like we said last time, this interior angle 108 has to find the exterior angle of that interior angle, has to add to be 180. So we would take 180 minus the 108. And so our exterior would equal 72. Oops, not 78. 72. So our two answers, interior is 108, exterior is 72. Notice these two numbers will always add to be 180, just like above. 144 plus 36 is 180. Okay, that is our fourth topic.